I love our students.
I like how our students are always trying their best on and off the field.
I love Miss Coey's reading class.
I love playing orchestra with Mr. Renner's class.
I like Lincoln because of the teachers. The way they treat me, it feels nice and I feel very comfortable with it.
I love Lincoln because of the students. They're fabulous.
I love Lincoln because of Miss James and the graphic novels.
I like Lincoln because of the staff. I like Lincoln because of the diversity of the students.
I like Lincoln because of the sense of community and, of course, my students.
What I like about Lincoln is the building and how kind the staff are.
I love how all the students work really hard and there's just such a good sense of community here.
I absolutely love the people here at Lincoln.
I like how Lincoln has all the sports to offer.
I like the Lincoln because the teachers are really nice and they really help me with my work when I'm struggling.
I like Lincoln because we have great climate specialists.
I like Lincoln because of the connections that we get to make with our students.
My favorite thing about Lincoln is the sense of community and the relationships I've been able to build with my students.
I love Lincoln because we are always finding ways to celebrate our students, whether it's a breakfast or an ice cream social or free time. We are always trying to honor our students' achievements.
Lo que me gusta de Lincoln son los deportes y los viajes que hacen y los eventos.
I love that even though we're learning, we can still have a lot of fun.
This school right here, Lincoln Middle School, is the best school in town. Energy, kids do get along, we do strive for perfection, and it's my future for tomorrow. It's all good here.
Friends, teachers,
Drama club.
What I like about Lincoln is all the friendly staff members and students.
Lincoln because of its unique building.
I like Lincoln because the teachers are nice and take time with you.